President Goodluck Jonathan has laid to rest the controversy of whether the CBN governor had been sacked in a media chat, saying that Sanusi had been suspended by the powers invested in him, even though recommendations had been submitted to the Senate for his replacement.
The issue of suspension came in because the CBN Act is somehow anomalous. Just like we have similar situations to not only CBN, where the CBN governor is also the chairman of the CBN board. The CBN governor is the chief executive of CBN, and at the same time the chairman of the CBN board. So if there are allegations about the CBN governor, it becomes a problem for you to look into it. And there are issues raised. These are the 2012 audit reports. And for you to look into those issues, we feel that for you to be sure of what you are doing, CBN governor can just step aside. So not to just step aside. So then immediately the board and the Financial Reporting Council sort out those gray areas. And it does not affect the governor, it comes back to do his work.
Many hold the view that Sanusi has held the exalted office of the Apex Bank governor in disrepute by his unguarded utterances, inept allegations, and wonder why it took the president so long to act.
Point of a CBN is to keep track of how much of government's money is coming into its account. It is that money that goes to the federation account that is shared monthly by the federal, state, and local government. And the CBN has messed up that entire process. That alone would have been enough to get this man fired. In any other country in the world, he would have had to resign.
Though Sanusi Lamido has promised to challenge the action against him in court, does the sudden removal of the Apex Bank governor portend any risk to the fiscal health of the nation, as some analysts warn?
If anybody wants me out, I can't make it easy for them. They've got to go the hard way. But at least we've had a situation where I have been suspended when there is no provision in the Central Bank Act for suspending the governor.
Is the economy strong enough to attract foreign investors? No. Is it the removal of this CBN governor will not allow foreign investors to have confidence in this economy? You don't just remove CBN governor abruptly. It is wrong.
The lingering question is, if the Financial Reporting Council of Nigeria finds Sanusi Lamido guilty of allegations leveled against him, does that wave aside his allegation that $20 billion of public funds are still missing at the Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation (NNPC)? Nigerians and indeed the international community await the outcome of these developments. Henry Williams reporting for Love World News, Lagos, Nigeria.